Hello, welcome to a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2 full bath flat located in the marina. This is the front of the building. This is the unit right there. And we're standing just outside this beautiful street. It is a very quiet tree-lined street. Chestnut Street is down just a little bit over there, walking distance. Okay, let's enter this unit. We're at 1337 Francisco. You have a nice gate with code entry system. Nice, beautiful terracotta tile floors. And we're going to walk into this magnificent space. This is the entrance right as you walk in. But we're going to start this tour off towards the rear of the building. Okay? Okay, bedroom number 1. This is a fantastic bedroom. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. This bedroom has a very large closet with automatic light, custom shelving, and it goes all the way back. Nice big walk-in closet. Nice balcony. This overlooks the rear of the building. There is a beautiful shared yard. Beautiful bathroom that's been completely renovated. His and her sink. Nice, beautiful, modern style. There is a bathtub here. Toilet. And wonderful shower with glass door and huge shower head. This is looking at the backyard area. That is a shared space. Not used very frequently. Okay. That is bedroom number 1, the master bedroom. You have a nice linen closet outside this bedroom. There is a second full bath, but I'll show you that momentarily. Here's the second bedroom. This fits a king-size bed and so much more. Nice little alcove here. This would make a perfect spot for your home office as you overlook the rear garden. Nice big closet here. This goes all the way back. This bathroom has a sliding door that takes you to your second full bath here. Okay, you have a nice big shower head, toilet, sink, huge medicine cabinet, and just tons of storage space. Not to mention, it is very beautiful. Here's the second entrance to the bathroom. This little hallway takes you to the rear egress. And this is how you would enter and visit the backyard area. Okay. Here is the third bedroom. This one fits a king-size bed as well, so all the bedrooms are very large with beautiful wood floors, really nice closet space. And since they're located off the street, it is extremely quiet. Okay, here is a half bath here. So this is actually a 2.5 bath. You have a medicine cabinet and sink, just perfect for those guests. This unit also comes with, take a look at this, private stackable laundry machines. This also has an automatic light, and there's tons of storage back here as well. Okay, these are nice big front loaders. Okay, in the hallway here is